Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I will show how to fix WhatsApp story music popular mood and genre option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this error and open on Google Play Store and search WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp app in Play Store. Go to home setting and scroll down, tap on apps and search or find WhatsApp app and scroll down and click storage, tap on clear cache. Now go to WhatsApp app and tap on updates and tap on add music and tap on music. Now showing popular mood and genre. Thanks for watching.